Hi everyone, this is day 4 of our Harry Potter Advent Calendar 2020 opening. So let's go ahead and open box number 4. Interesting. So this is apparently what in the Harry Potter universe calls a Beauxbatons carriage. So again, I'm not familiar with this vehicle. Apparently it appeared in the Goblet of Fire movie or book. So yeah, I'm only familiar with the first 2 books and movies, mainly. I know something about book 3 and 4. Not that much. So yeah, that's too bad, but I've seen pictures of it. It looks pretty neat. So let's see if this model lives up to what it's supposed to be like. It's the high standard set by the bigger model. Okay. Wait. Yeah, the thing about not being familiar with the actual model is that you don't really know if you're actually building it correctly or not. This is supposed to be the horse, I guess. The winged horse that is powering this carriage. And then of course you have the carriage itself, which is built on a 2x2. And then, okay, that's fine. Very smart use of pieces. Very nice. The important thing about these models is to try to make it as simple as possible while giving the look, giving the impression of what it is supposed to represent. You know, it doesn't have to be incredibly detailed, but certainly you need to, people need to recognize it almost immediately. I think last night's pirate ship thingy is very good because it did just that. Very recognizable, especially for the people who know even just a little bit about the source material. Obviously, for someone who doesn't know anything about the source material, that's an entirely different question. But okay, so there are no spare pieces for this one because this last piece is supposed to just connect everything together. Have I made a mistake here? Probably didn't make a mistake. Oh no, I didn't. Great. Yeah, so you see, I am definitely not familiar with the source material at all. Okay, so we'll stick this one in. Like so. Probably should angle a little bit better. All right. Yep. So hopefully I built it correctly. It's going on far too long. Okay, great. Yeah, I think it's somewhere in the middle. Yeah, that would do. Yeah, I'd say not the greatest rendition of what it's supposed to be. Even though I'm not familiar with the source material, I can see what they're trying to do, but I don't think it works as well as, you know, the ship or the Hogwarts castle. Yeah, it's alright. At least you can see the carriage very clearly, but not the creature itself. Or maybe this is supposed to be an ornament of sorts. But in any case, I don't think this is the best representation, micro scale representation of the source material. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Anyways, this is the Beauxbaton carriage in the Harry Potter universe. Specifically the Goblets of Fire book or movie. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.